Did you know you can literally catch a yawn just from reading the word yawn? But here's where it gets really wild. Scientists discovered that yawning contagion works across completely different species. Dogs catch yawns from humans, and chimps yawn when they see other chimps yawn. Your brain actually has mirror neurons that fire when you see someone else yawn. It activates the same empathy centers that help you connect with others. But researchers found something shocking about psychopaths. They're completely immune to contagious yawning. Their brains simply don't respond the same way to social cues. This means a simple yawn test might reveal empathy levels. And here's the most incredible part. Fetuses yawn in the womb as early as 11 weeks, making contagious yawning one of our very first social behaviors. Before we can even speak, we're already connecting through yawns.